Okay, guys, so before we start using the tools, we need to understand that what we have to check there in the tools. What are the product hunting jargons? Okay, so I will be explaining each of this term that we have mentioned here in the slide in complete, you can say in detail, okay, that what is sorting and no sorting, and why we watch and focus and analyze this thing, why we analyze search volume, what are the reasons to see the revenue of the product. So we will be discussing stepwise all of these: product price, competing products and reviews, and Amazon as a seller, and brand domination, Google trend. So basically these things, while hunting, we keep an eye on all of these things and we check that whether this product is good to sell, and we should decide this product, that we will have to sell this product and we should source this product or not. So before taking a decision, we analyze all of these components for that product, and after that we decide. So we will be discussing in the next videos each of this term, right? And I'm like, I haven't seen someone telling that why we sort the product, why we do not sort it, why we check volume. So in this lecture I will be providing you the explanation and the reasons for why we check each of this term, each of this component while product hunting. Like I have seen many of the people just providing a criteria that the search volume should be above this, the revenue should be like this, and product price should be between this and this. So they do not share the reason that why we should check product price, why we should check reviews and all that. So in this course I will be explaining all of these terms, so that in future you all can decide by your own, and you can make criteria of any product by your own and launch that product. And you will not be like waiting for someone to make a criteria and tell you that, hey, just follow this criteria and then you will find that winning product. No. So after this course you will be able to decide and make a criteria for yourself. So be tuned.